If you are harmless, you are just a blank canvas. Like a rabbit, it's not about virtue, it's about being powerless, a mere pawn for predators. Virtue is not your virtue, it's just a lack of options. But if you are a monster, and you choose not to unleash that monstrosity, then you are on the path to virtue. But make no mistake, you need to be a monster first. It's a familiar tale, a game changer in the world of rule breakers. The ones who defy obedience with a purpose. Without breaking those rules, they never seize the ultimate prize. It's an intriguing paradox, amid the soul as time itself. The hero, it turns out, must wear the monster skin. Think Weapon, the archetype echoing across tales. If you're stepping into the ring, being a fighter isn't just about competition. It's about wanting to win, wanting to assert your power, your dominion. Not for the sake of causing pain. Mind you, that's what separates you from the truly malevolent. But a capacity for controlled force, that's your edge, your ticket to a higher plane. But as it may seem, it's a step towards enlightenment, diverging from the conventional understanding. Forget the idea of being harmless, of playing the virtuous role, of not making waves. Suppress your competitive instincts. No. The meek, passive attitude. It's time to shift that. Embrace the monster within. Become the absolute beast. And then learn to control it. Someone incapable of cruelty is a higher moral being than someone capable of cruelty. This statement is dangerously flawed. If one is incapable of cruelty, one is a pawn, vulnerable to anyone who exercises it. This is why people are attracted to anti-heroes and villains. Part of them yearns to embrace the monster within, an important aspect that builds character and self-esteem. Until you grow teeth, you can really respect yourself. And when you do, you become aware of your potential danger. You are more likely to demand the respect you deserve from yourself and from others. This isn't about endorsing cruelty as superior. It's about wielding the power of cruelty but choosing not to. That's the path of control. Many martial arts have understood this and incorporated it into their philosophy. We don't train you to fight. We cultivate your inner peace, your awareness, the art of avoiding conflict. But if you get into a confrontation, being competent in fighting reduces the likelihood of a confrontation. If someone presses you, your confident response, your demonstration of dominance can make even bullies back down. The strength you gain from engaging your inner monster is the ultimate guarantee of peace. Therefore, integrating your shadow is of utmost importance. It's the part of you that you're reluctant to face. The human shadow that extends to the abyss and contains the aspects you'd rather deny. Only through a ruthless analysis of your own shadow can you understand the capabilities of others. Without this understanding, control remains elusive. The path to enlightenment and wisdom is rarely taken. If it were so easy to follow one's bliss, everyone would be a paragon of wisdom. But it's not. It's about confronting your deepest fears. It's about being a warrior amidst life's chaos, not a bystander in its wars.